everyone, and welcome back to my November favorites. It's that time again. It's the 1st of December that I am filming today, and I want to show you all of my favorite products from the month of November. I have them all here in a box and we'll get right into it. First off, let's start with some skincare. I started using a new toner, and this one is by the Body Shop. It's British Rose, and it's a petal-soft gel toner. Replumps with moisture, soothes and softens. And oh my god, I love this product. It just moisturizes your skin so well. I don't know what it is, but it's because it's such a, I mean, look at this. Like, it looks like this, and it has, I don't know if you can see this. It has petals inside. Really cool. And it's like a gel texture. Like, it's not really water, it's gel. And I guess for this reason, it just moisturizes the skin really well, and I've really been enjoying this. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and it's not a lot of gone because you don't need much at all. Just a little, like, dab of it. Really nice. Really been liking this. And then as well by the Body Shop, I love their little hand creams because it's just the right size for my pockets at work. And I bought the Vanilla Pumpkin Hand Cream. And oh my god, does that smell amazing. I mean, I know we're going into Christmas and it's not really pumpkin time anymore, but nevertheless, this is really good, and I've been loving it, and it just sinks right into the skin. It's so nice, really nice. I love it. What else? Oh, there's another thing by Body Shop. Obviously, I went shopping at the Body Shop. But I also only bought the mini size because the big size is like €30. And this one was 8, and I wanted to try it. And it's the Ethiopian Green Coffee Firming Body Cream. It looks like this. And it's a gel-like, and it just smells so good. It smells like a firming cream. Like, I don't know if you know the scent, but it's like, I don't know. It smells really good, and it's like slightly green. It's a gel-like texture, and I use it for my décolletage, and you know, it's just really nice. I love it. I put it on every morning, and I actually feel like it hydrates so well, and it made a difference. And I'm definitely gonna buy the big size once this is empty, and it's gonna be soon, I think. But it goes a long way. I mean, I've had this for like 2-3 weeks now, and I've been using it every day, and you don't need a lot because it's so hydrating. And also a deodorant. It's by CD. It's a German brand, I believe. And it's natural. It's without mineral oils, silicones. It doesn't have any animal, you know, ingredients. And also it doesn't have any color in it. And it looks like this. It's CD. And it's called Energy with grapefruit and ginger. And oh my god, it smells so fresh. I love it. I mean, I usually don't like those roll-ons that have like a liquid in it, but it smells so good, and I don't know, it's just, I love it. And I bought another one that you will see probably in my drugstore haul with orange, and this one, they're just amazing. A palette that I have been loving. Oh my. I had to. Essence brought out a Christmas edition, as every year. However, I never really buy anything from the limited editions, especially Essence. I don't know, I'm just not the... I love Essence, but I've never been really a big fan of the eyeshadows. However, this is their palette, eyeshadow palette. And now, just remove the paper. Look at this beautiful palette. Isn't this just so stunning? And it's the perfect colors for me. That's how it looks like. And then I'll show you up close a little bit. I think the colors are just so nice, and they're very shimmery. They have some mattes in there, shimmers, and they also have a glittery shade. And I don't know if you can see this, but it glitters in all kinds of colors. It's green, purple. It's like the perfect Christmas shade. I don't know. I've been loving this so much, and I've been already using it so much. Another thing I can't live without anymore is the Catrice Light Correcting Serum Primer. And I've already had the Candlelight one. Now this is the bronzen one, and now I just bought another one, a different one. But it looks like this. It's like a little dropper bottle, you know, like it's a little dropper bottle, and as you can already see in the color, it's bronzy, like it's has a bronzy sheen, and it gives your skin the most beautiful glow. I always use it under my foundation and mostly under mattes just to make them a little bit more lively, and I've just been really loving them. I don't know what it is, but it's already the second bottle that I finished. A cleanser that I've been really loving is the Buche de Noel face cleanser, face and body cleanser by the Lush. I showed that in my recent Christmas haul. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. And it's like a cleanser like this. It looks like this, and you take a little bit out and you put it under water and you put it on your face. And it's just so nice. I use it in the morning time, you know, when I don't really have to cleanse my face from any dirt, because I go to bed with a clean face. And I use this to refresh my skin, and then I put on this and my skin's good to go. And it's so nice. It smells divine, and I think I have to buy a new one before the Christmas season's over. And then I have two more items by Essence actually. I bought the I Need a Miracle volumizing and strengthening mascara. And I've been really liking it. It has a lash tinting complex apparently. So, you know, the more you use it, the more it will tint your lashes. I haven't really noticed it, but then again, I use different mascaras all the time. But it has a really nice wand. And I don't know, I've just been enjoying it. It's been really nice mascara, so I can't really complain about it. And also, I dug out one of my lipsticks by Essence, because I was just going through my lipstick collection, and I have so many. And it's time for the darker colors now, so I figured this one would be awesome. And I mean, look at this color. It's like a plum color, purple plum. It's number 7. Does it have a number? Purple Power, that's what they call it. It's a matte lipstick. And it's just so pretty. I mean, let me swatch it for you really quick. I mean, look at this color. It's just perfect for fall now. And I've been really enjoying wearing this to work. Really nice. And I guess it goes really well with my hair color too at the moment. So yeah. Those have been all of my favorites for the month of November. I am now working on new products for the month of December. Crazy that it's already December. I mean, it's almost Christmas, and it's almost New Year's, and it's almost 2019. Like, can you believe it? I cannot. It's so crazy. The year goes by so quick. I don't know. But yeah. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video down below, as usual. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, if you want to see more of me, please stay and keep watching. And then I see you next time. Bye!